My name is SZA, and this is my first time. Yes.
The first time I wrote a poem was in I don't know, third or fifth grade. It was really dramatic and dark when I was young because I feel like I was really dramatic. Religion was also super serious and dark to me, so I was always just I wanted to know about ills of the world and of my life. And then as I got older, I realized that I don't know, you can colorfully depict pain in a way that isn't so grotesque. But I used to love super grotesque writings. First time I decided to study marine biology was probably my sophomore year in college, and I still would quit my job to do that. To work with Paul Nicklin, who's my favorite wildlife photographer. He put online that he's looking for an assistant. And I really would love to be his assistant because I know that the ocean is changing in a rapid, permanent way. If I would take 6 months off just to do entomology and to categorize species in Galapagos and Madagascar, it's not even a question.
My first gymnastic meet, I was so scared. Lots of pasta dinners the night before. It was a double story, audience. And my mom was so scared, and I felt like I could feel her. I have spurts of large energy when I'm increasingly nervous. And gymnastics is a perfect sport because you can just get all of your energy out in one spurt and then really commit to it, and then it's just it's done, it's released.